How far did you go in school?
I graduated high school and I graduated my trade school.
All right, what's your trade in?
Welding.
All right, so welders make a lot of money. What are you planning on doing with that?
I was trying to get a job, but once I got into my car accident, it was hard to get a job because I didn't have a vehicle.
Oh, via bus. I've seen, when I used to ride the via bus, I would see welders on the via bus. Some of them were my clients. They were on the via bus, so it's doable. I don't know why. I don't know if people have shame in riding the via bus. There's no shame. Half the people who are on the via bus, you honestly have no reason to know why they're on it. Some people are on there, of course, for DWIs. Some people are on it because they just like riding the bus. I enjoyed riding the bus, leave the driving to them. It was awesome. Only thing I didn't like was the 92 because that takes you on Fredericksburg and that goes all around the city. That's the longest bus ride. I preferred 90, which is the Babcock bus. But there's no shame in it. You're just trying to get from point A to point B. It's a shame that they no longer have the nickel ad where you used to buy used cars out of the nickel ad for $300. Again, doesn't matter if your car is beat up, you get them from point A to point B. All right, so we'll do a referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court does not take him, then let's see about lifetime recovery. Lifetime recovery has housing, and that's to be done while in custody. We'll do 120 sober meetings in 120 days. Proof of employment within 45 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until in treatment for 2 months. And then thereafter to be at probation's discretion. So we do have to address the anger management issues that he has. State, what are you requesting?
BIP or anger management? Judge, we would ask for the anger management. I think that the bigger function of this agreement was his being under the influence of alcohol. I think they seem to have a good relationship when he's the way he is right now.
Okay.
So if we can address the alcohol and the anger, yes, it's an issue, but not as much as the alcohol.
All right. Do you have something in between probation, in between anger management and BIP, sort of?
Judge, no, I would say the anger management class, Judge.
Okay. All right. There's going to be anger management. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. Probation, I'm leaning towards not doing community supervision because he really needs to be an inpatient